Hello again, everybody. About the fuse panel, there's another way to measure the current. Now I took out the fuse and I put the probes of the meter, measuring it as a current meter. I put it on, as you can see, amps, 40 amps. This is measuring amps. Now I put on the hazard lights. So the hazard lights are going on and off, on and off, on and off. You see the numbers fluctuating because they're going on and off, on and off. So as you can see, let's say it's 780 milliamps and going down to probably 470 milliamps. So what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the current in the circuit. See, it's going up and down, up and down. Let me show you the probes that I used. See these probes? These are the probes that I used. These are the best probes to measure current. So anyway, that's a short video, but that's how you can measure current. Take out the fuse, put in these type of probes. They go very deep, as you can see over here. See the terminals? You have enough space to put the terminal, the probe. Put it right in there. See? And it fits all the way in. The best probes for this type of work. Thanks for watching.